All right, it's 6:15. I kind of slept in a little bit and waited on the weather lines to look a little better. It looks good up here. The sun's starting to come up. You can see it in the background, and I am going to get ready to head to Sun and Fun. I'll walk through both the gear I have. I've got a chair, first aid kit, sleeping pad, sleeping bag, tent, table. I've got my tie downs, chalks, some spare oil and tools, GoPros, a light, 360 camera. I've got a cooler packed up with a little bit of food in it, camera, mud boots, they're calling for rain, jet boil, all of my kitchen stuff, some coffee. Got the power supply, another lens, all of my clothes and towel, shoes, and a bag to walk around with. So all of this is now going to go in here. Here we go. Clear. This is the first crappy weather part of the trip, so I just tried to get around this cloud, and I kind of went the wrong way. I should have thought about it more. I kind of went on the upwind side, but that's where the storm was, so like it just closed off, you know, the radar picture and the actual picture, what I was seeing on the ground. Didn't agree. What also hurts is there's like a 35-mile-an-hour headwind, so I'm going super slow going out there trying to avoid this, and then I realized I can't do it. I gotta turn around, which helped the opposite direction because I'm going like 150 mile an hour ground speed. Everybody's reporting good weather on this side of it, so I just gotta work my way around it. But I might change my destination now because I was going to a grass strip with fuel. They're looking like they're gonna get consumed by this weather, so I might just stay even further east and go to a different one, just keep working out that way. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, I probably should have filmed that because that was more exciting than the nothingness that I've been doing lately, but I just got a clearance through the Raleigh. They were super helpful. Gave me a couple of headings just to stay clear of their departure traffic, and then gave me an advisory because there's a tower. There's a single tower, but there's a couple more further away. They're all about 2,000 feet. So I was flying at 2,000 feet. 609, Roger, thank you. And she gave me some advisories, so that's pretty cool. Anyway. Southwest of Raleigh-Durham Airport, altitude 3,000. And that's it. So I'm going to stop at a different place, like I said, to get some gas, because I only got about an hour left, 12 minutes away. I'm just going to stop here, get gas, and then we'll go from there. So. First gas stop, all fueled up. I just read a bunch of comments that said Harnet's really cool. Fresh pavement everywhere, it's crazy. And this FEO is like just been finished. It looks phenomenal. All right, how cool is that FEO? It's really sweet in there. All topped off. I got him to print off my sign to get into Sun and Fun. So I'm gonna swig some coffee and fire up and get out of here so we can get there in time. Come on then.
just did my last fuel stop. So I'm gassed up, I'm ready to go. I'm about 40 minutes north of Lakeland, and I've got to wait till 5 for the air show to stop. So it's 4 right now, and I'm just kind of hanging out. I'm gonna read over some stuff one more time, and then I think I'll start casually, slowly going down there. I have to fly south of the field, come back in low level to come into the ultralight pattern.
We are taking off on the last fuel stop of the day for the last leg to get in here, so hopefully everything goes well. About 45 minutes away. Here we go. Williamson traffic, Cessna 34 Charlie, back taxiing runway 23 to runway 14. And Williamson traffic, Cessna 34 Charlie, departing runway 14, Williamson.
Williamson area traffic, Cherokee 8 over Whiskey holding short 14. Any traffic please advise.
Alright, we've departed, everything looks good, and I'm going to climb up just a little bit more, and off we go. Alright, so I've flown all the way down here. I'm in the first layer of the TFR. I'm circling with my helicopter friends, so I kind of followed them down. I think they see me on the screen, so we're just kind of doing a do-si-do here and circling, waiting to get in. Once we can get down here and in, we can enter.
New York is not Montreal.
Well, welcome to Florida, y'all. So 1,200 and 100 knots. If you're unable to do that, maintain 1,700 and 150 knots.
Where do you want us when we cross the highway?
The lake's in the hole.
We're coming in.
When you get to the
Saw a couple people
and proceed
on the final here, so.
The lake's in the hold. Probably another 10 minutes or so. There's a lot of departures off of Lakeland today.
The guys with the wigwags, we're from Georgia.
So am I. I'm in Hartsville. Where are you from?
Good deal. I'm in Dunwoody, just north of Atlanta.
Aircraft on taxiing on Echo 1. What's your destination?
To the Bushwheels camping. Basecamp.
For the STOL aircraft?
Yeah, the overnight camping version of it.
I am sorry, they're right on your left, but you're going to have to make a you're going to have to come around 180 degrees for their entrance.
Okay, copy that.
Sorry about that.
Loud clear.
White Arrow is departing the area to the south. Lakeland, Paradise, you got 30 day 2.
Alright, I just made it to SunFun, and it was crazy getting in here because you can't hear any of the talking on the radios, didn't do any of the holding, and apparently something happened. Maybe it didn't, I'm going to find out, but apparently a lot of people were going to hold, so just got in, finally got parked, nobody knew where I was going, and I'm excited to be here. Got my tent set up, so I'm going to go walk around a little bit.
Too late. Okay.
SunFun's air show was canceled today because of the weather, but thankfully is now back to running smoothly. With that.
right, so this year for Sun and Fun, I parked in the Bushwheels Basecamp. That allowed me to fly into the Paradise City grass strip. So while I flew in there and parked and camped, I basically hung out with all the people that are doing the STOL demo. It's such a great crowd. They hosted several events. So realistically, I filmed a lot of the STOL demo, and that's a lot of the footage I'll show you guys, as well as walking around all of the booths, all the vendors, all the barns, all the display aircraft, and watching the air show. But basically, I just filmed at random throughout the next 3 days, and this is some of the stuff that I caught.
First time, oh, Warren, you had a good start. It's okay, it's only that wind rolling over the trees, maybe a little more than expected. There it is, sun in his eyes, that always makes it more difficult. Nice one, buddy. Yes. Oh yeah, a little steeper this time. He has to get one past the line. Safe, drops it in hard. Oh, but a good stopping effort. Pinned in a 3 points there. The tail finally comes up. Extra horsepower souped up. But keep the airframe super light. Oh, and the Behringer brake sure get them to stop quick. The landing short does not matter.
All right, day number 2. I've been watching planes get taxied by, towed by all morning. This is a spot to be in, just hanging out at the bush camp.
Jamie, thank you so much. Okay, once again, thank you for being an incredible sponsor. Please take the time.
walking around, checking out some stuff. It's been pretty sweet. And now Scott Yuke's going to fly the P-51. So I'm just going to hang out and watch this.
Competition and all that too.
Alright, so that closed out the air show for me. That was the last filming I did. I kind of watched the air show end and then got some good food, got some rest, and the next morning I woke up, packed down camp, got everything packed in the plane, found a marshaller and a follow me, all the procedures you need, and started taxiing out and headed home. So honestly, the ground coordination was the biggest part of it because once you got in the air, the Paradise City departure is really easy. Edward took off behind me, he caught up to me, we did a little formation flying, and then he peeled off and stayed in Florida for the night, and I headed north back to the house. So I had a good time at Sun and Fun, and here's the flight back home. Down into the pattern. Green line of traffic, Cessna 34 Charlie, joining the downwind, runway 21, full stop, green landing. All right, y'all, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. I know it was a little longer of a video, but tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like, and what I can improve on the next one. And subscribe and like if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Later.